Instagram now has the option to offer gift cards to your audience. Have you tried to set them up and it didn't quite work out right? Don't worry, in this video, we'll share all the things you need to know to set up the gift card feature. The gift card and similar order food feature was launched by Instagram in order to help businesses find other ways to generate revenue using Instagram. You can either add a sticker to your stories or you can add an action button to your profile. And we're gonna explain how both of those work. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I will share some tips that you can do to get more exposure and attention on those gift card stickers. But before we get started, there's a couple things you need to know. First of all, the gift card sticker is only available to business profiles, not creators or personal profiles. And second of all, they have to be digital gift cards. If you don't already have these set up, you can go to any of Instagram's approved partners like Square, Kabbage, or Raise, and a select other few, and set up your digital gift cards. Once you've set up that third-party integration for a digital gift card, you'll get a specific link for that feature, and that's what you're gonna add to your Instagram profile for either the sticker or the action button. If you already have digital gift cards set up through one of these third-party tools, just log in, snag that link that you need, and you'll be ready to go. Now that you have your link for your digital gift card, if you want to add it to your story as a sticker, you're going to launch your story just like you normally would. Build it with any text, doodles, GIFs, any of that sort of stuff that you want. Then you're going to select the gift card sticker from the sticker tray. When you do that, it's going to open a new screen to allow you to select the third-party tool for your digital gift cards. Select that partner, and that will take you to another screen where you'll be prompted to paste your shared URL. Go ahead and paste the link that you just snagged from the third-party tool, put it in there, hit the save or the check mark option, and you're ready to go. Now you'll see your sticker as it's going to appear on the story. But before you move on, you actually have the option to do a little formatting. You can tap on the little colored wheel at the top of the screen. That will allow you to change the color background of the sticker. When you're all set, go ahead and tap Done, and it will add the sticker to your story. From here, you can pinch and zoom, you can drag and move around, put it wherever you want within your story, and you're all ready to go. The order food sticker works very similar to the gift card sticker. You can use third-party approved tools like ChowNow, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and others. You choose the order food sticker from the sticker tray on a story, you choose your third-party approved partner, and then you paste in the partner link that you have set up, and there you have your sticker ready to go. Of course, you're going to want to check your insights to see how this story is performing. Just like any other story, you can open it up and view your insights and view sticker taps or any other navigation or actions taken on that story. Just make sure you check them before the 24 hours expire because any archived story doesn't always have all those same details. So that's how the Instagram story sticker works. We also mentioned that you could add an action button to your profile. It works just like the sticker in that you're going to need the partner URL to set it up. To set up the button, you're going to go to your profile on Instagram, tap on Edit Profile, and then scroll down to the option for Action Buttons. From the Action Button options, select the gift card option, paste in your partner URL, click on the check mark, and you'll be back on the Add Sticker screen. You'll notice at the bottom, there is an option for Buttons Active. On your profile, you're going to select that option. When you tap on that, you can choose which of those various action buttons you want to enable on your profile. If you don't select one of those, even though you've set up the partner URL, the action button won't actually appear on your profile. Select the button you want, tap the check mark, save your changes back through the edit profile, and then there you go. The action button is helpful because it lives on your profile at all times, which means anybody can take use of it at any time, not just when it's active in your story. And now it's time for that bonus I promised you. Here are some ways that you can get even more attention on those stickers or the action button. If you're using the order food option, consider offering a coupon code. It will incentivize people to use it immediately, and it will allow you to have better tracking in terms of how that sticker and action button are performing for you. Also, many people aren't really familiar with how these stickers work and may not be super confident going through the process of clicking on them to order food or buying a gift card. Offer some help, some information, some tips about how it works, throw some emojis in there, make it fun so that they feel a little more comfortable following through with that action. Because Instagram stories only last 24 hours, we want to get the most uses possible out of that sticker. So try using it multiple days in a row or even multiple days within a month to give your audience more familiarity and confidence in using that function. We all love some good user-generated content, especially as a business that has their gift cards or food available. So if someone has taken photos of your product or service, feel free to share those to your story as UGC and add that gift card or order food sticker that way so that people can see it from a different perspective. In the interest of convenience, if you're using this as a sticker on your stories, you can always add that to your Instagram highlights for ordering online or order now, where people can navigate through those different options where you have that sticker and can immediately order that way as well. And if you want to take advantage of that UGC method we just talked about, be careful. There's a couple mistakes that a lot of people make with UGC, and if you want to stay up to speed on what's right and wrong, check out this video on user-generated content on Instagram. And if you want help with your Instagram stories strategy, check out this playlist for more on that.